All right, hi guys. Once again, this is Coach Jericho Irinco, your upline here in Seacrest. I am in a corporate rank running for presidential director. And ikaw ba ay bago dito sa Seacrest as affiliate, no? So para hindi po kayo maligaw, ano ba yung mga dapat una mong gawin once ikaw po ay naka-onboard na sa Seacrest, no? So, unang-una, I'd like to congratulate you for being on board here in Seacrest. And para hindi ka maligaw at madali mong magawa, madali kang makasunod dito kay Seacrest, wala po ditong sikreto actually. So, all you need to do is GPS. GPS stands for get in, plug in, stay in. Kasi kung lagi po tayong naka-plug in, well, you are updated definitely sa lahat ng mga updates, sa lahat ng mga announcements and trainings, new informations, new learnings here in Seacrest. Ano yung plug in? So, ibig sabihin, naka-join ka na, no? And lagi ka nag-a-attend ng mga training. Ano yung mga training natin? Dahil baguhan ka, kailangan matapos mo muna ang tinatawag nating new affiliate orientation. Kailangan naka-attend ka ng new affiliate orientation ng at least no 3 beses. And at the same time, lagi kang pumapasok sa Zoom. Meron kang guest sa wala, dapat pumapasok ka sa Zoom because learnings in this kind of business is very essential. No? So, walang shortcut na paraan para umasenso sa buhay, pero may proseso. And if you follow the process, and of course, congratulations because you are in the right track. So, again, for this video, itong tutorial na ibibigay ko sa inyo, it's all about navigation of back office. Gaano ka-importante na alam po natin on how to navigate our back office. So sa lahat, ito po yung tandaan nyo ha, sa lahat ng bagong affiliate ng Seacrest, kailangan upon sign up, pagka-member mo pa lang, kailangan makapag-sign in ka, makapag-log in ka to your back office because our back office is very sophisticated. And para lang naman tong nagda-drive ka ng isang sasakyan. If you know on how to drive properly, nasa tamang attitude ka ng pagda-drive, well, you will go places. Safe na safe ka makakarating sa gusto mong puntahan. Anong ibig kong sabihin? Kung marunong kang mag-navigate ng back office mo, if you are familiar sa lahat ng laman ng ating back office, well, definitely hindi ka maliligaw. Because in our back office, everything is nandito na. So again, ulitin ko, kung bagong pasok ka pa lang, kung kame-member mo pa lang sa Seacrest or kung dati ka ng member sa Seacrest pero hindi mo ginagawa na gawing habit ang pagpa-plug in, ang paglalag-in sa iyong back office, will definitely mahihirapan ka talagang mag-build ng iyong organizations dito sa Seacrest. So ano yung GP, ano yung P, no? GPS, get in, no? So member ka na, plug in, so lagi ka dapat naka-sign up, no? Lagi ka nagla-login sa iyong account and stay in. So, lagi kang present. Pag lagi kang present sa lahat ng mga trainings and everything, equip yung knowledge mo. Makakasabay ka. Kahit baguhan ka sa ganitong negosyo, maa-adapt mo yung mga skills, maa-adapt mo yung mga attitude, yung mga habits na dapat po nating ginagawa, no, yung daily routine ng isang affiliate dito sa Seacrest. So, get in, plug in, stay in, you need to be updated, especially with your subscription because we are in a membership club. So again, for this video, I'm gonna show you the tutorial on how you're gonna plug in, how you're gonna log in to your back office. So this is a navigation of a back office. Guys, so ipapakita ko po sa inyo ngayon yung ating website, no. This is triple double, of course, https double slash secrest dash incorporated.com. Ito yung ating official website. May sarili po tayong website. Tingnan nyo naman, napaka-sophisticated ng ating back office. So, in there, makikita nyo po yung home, yung product packages, our team, our mission, about us, membership, how to rank up and affiliate, frequently asked questions in terms and conditions, and of course, our very own Chief Financial Officer, si Sir Jeron Ang. So, guys, hybrid dropshipping business po, no? Trending venture this 2025 hybrid commerce grow with us. So you should be part of this community, and since member ka na, congratulations. So guys, ito dito pa lang sa website pa lang natin panalong-panalo na. So hindi ka lugi kasi dito kay Seacrest, unlike with other membership club, system lang ang kapalit sa binayaran mo. Parang ganito lang ang kapalit. With us here sa Seacrest, mayroon ho tayong kapalit na premium products. Talagang mayroon kang physical products. You can taste the product. You can use the product, and you should be a product of your products though. So sa ibang video, pag-uusapan po natin yan. So to log in our back office, all you need to do is, of course, ito na mapa-laptop man po ang gamit niyo or mapa-cellphone, pareho lang po ang function po niyan. So all you need to do is to click login. Ayan, click po natin yung login. Okay. Then, in here, actually, hindi ko gagamitin tong account ko, no? I'm gonna use one of the account of my VIP direct referral, si Coach Nercy Itkilan, no? So, ayan. Marami akong direct referrals here, and karamihan, ito VIP to. Bakit VIP? Kasi, sa VIP kasi everything is nandiyan na. Wala ka nang hahanapin pa. So, pareho lang po ang, pareho lang po ang function. Mapa-cellphone ang gamit mo, mapa-laptop. So, ganito po ang makikita nyo po dyan. So, ito po yung ating Seacrest sophisticated back office. So, in here, makikita mo dito sa may upper left side, yung dashboard. Ito yung dashboard, itsura ng dashboard natin. So, yung total receipt payout mo, yung upcoming payout mo, yung DR points, yung direct referral points natin, yung active members makikita mo, yung enroller tree, and yung rank mo. No? Currently, ang ating ginagamit ko for demo is a national director. I am a corporate director. And yung subscription, makikita mo, active siya up until September 11, 2025. At yung package niya is VIP. So, bakit nga VIP? Kasi from the word itself, very important person. Lahat ho ng privilege of being an affiliate dito kay Seacrest nandito na. So, pwede mong i-personalize yung iyong tawag dito, yung iyong mga link, no? So, pwede nating gawin po yan dyan. Alright, so, if we're gonna scroll down, ito yung itsura ng ating back office, no? Ito po siya. Ayan. So, guys, ayan. Okay, so makikita mo dito yung mga expiring subscription. Kung titingnan mo dito, 7 days, almost 1 week pa yan, and 43 minutes left. No? So, ayan, kitang-kita natin. Sino-sino ang ating mga ka-partners or members under our organization na malapit nang mag-expire ang kanilang subscription. So, in here, kung lagi kang naka-plug in, kung lagi kang nagla-log in sa ating back office, kaya nga advisable is that para ma-monitor mo kung sino-sino yung mga for expiration, and you can advise them sa team nyo. Kung meron kayong GC, you can screenshot this portion and you can remind nyo po sila na magbayad na sila ng subscription para hindi malaglag sa kanilang matrix, no? Or kung baguhan ka, mas maganda na practice mo na to, na master mo na to, para alam mo na paglaki ng grupo mo, you know already on what you're gonna do. Okay, so sa second page, may second page pa yan. So, makikita natin yan. Ay, wala naman pala na. Alright, so okay. So, yan po yung laman ng ating first page ng dashboard po natin. Alright? So, kasama po dito sa ating back office, ito pong tutorial. Tingnan nyo po yan, itong pinupoint po ng cursor. Diyan po sa ibaba ng dashboard, mayroon po tayong tutorial. So, in here, napakaswerte po natin. Kasi dito kay Seacrest, talagang itinuturo po ang lahat. All you need to do, pareho lang po ang function yan. Gamitin nyo po ang cellphone, gamitin nyo po ang laptop, pareho lang po ang function yan. How to extend your subscription, paano ka magbabayad ng subscription mo, hindi mo na kailangan tawagan si Upline. Upline, paano mag-renew ng aking subscription or paano magbayad? Because by this tutorial, you will learn on how to do it alone. So, you can just click it para mapanood nyo po yung video. So, ayan, tingnan po natin. Medyo mabagal.
How to easily extend your subscription. Step 1. Visit www.secrest-inks.com/members. Step 2. Log in using your details. Step 3. Scroll down to your dashboard. Check your subscription status and click Extend. Step 4. Select your free products and choose how many months you'd like to extend. Step 5. Click Buy Now. Step 6. Fill in your shipping information, select your delivery method, and choose your courier. Different couriers will show different shipping fees. Next, complete your address, select your payment method, and click Confirm Order. Scan the QR code. And you're done. Congratulations, your subscription has been successfully extended. To track your order, go to Orders in your dashboard and wait for the tracking parcel ID the following day. Once it's available, click the parcel ID to be redirected to your courier and view your parcel status. Thank you for your continued support of our seaweed products. We hope this guide helps.
Alright. So guys, ganun lang kabilis, 'di ba? Nakita nyo kung paano po mag-extend ng ating subscription. So, you would just click yun lang po sa tutorial nandito. So, marami pa po akong ipapakita later. So, dyan po sa tutorial, nandyan po. So, how to use your invitation link, how to upgrade your account, how to transfer credit wallet. So, isa-isahin po natin yan mamaya sa short video po natin. So, dito po sa ating navigation ng back office at tutorial po natin, para po familiar po tayo. Nandito rin po yung portion ng ating my profile, no? Dito po sa my profile, pwede niyo po tong pwede niyo pong i-update dito yung inyong information. Makikita mo dito sino yung sponsor mo and yung profile mo, yung picture mo nandito. If kung gusto mong magpalit ng picture, all you need to do is just to click this one. I-click niyo lang po ito, then you can choose kung ano po ang inyo pong ipapalit na picture. Alright? So, ganun lang po kabilis, ganun lang po kadali. And kung gusto niyo pong palitan, i-update ang inyong information, i-browse niyo lang po yan pababa and you can input, no? I-type in lang po natin lahat ng mga informations na kailangan nating ilagay dyan. So, walang nakalagay dito na bansa, no? Philippines, update natin tong kay Coach Nercy, no? So, lagyan natin ng Philippines. Alright. Okay, then tama na ito lahat. Address is okay. La Trinidad. Aha. No. La. Okay. Wait lang. La Trinidad. Ito. Okay. Uh, NCR. Bakit nag-aano yung akin? Okay. Then, okay. Then, second district. Ang city is Quezon City. At ang barangay po nito ay um, tawag dito, Payatas. And ang zip code po nito is 1119. Bakit namamatay? Sorry. Okay. Aha. Okay. Sige. Then, scroll down lang po natin yan and click update. Ayan. Para updated na po. Ayan, updated na po. Your profile information has been saved successfully. Okay? Then if you really want to change your password, you can put your current password here and input the new one dito sa new password in confirm. Tapos padala nyo din. Update nyo din lang. Just click the update and that's it. Okay? Then yung ranking guide naman natin, napakalinaw po yan, nandito po yan. So kung paano po tayo mag-rank sa ating current position or rank here in Seacrest, from the director to senior director, to executive to national director, to corporate director, presidential to global director, nandito po yan. So meron tayong first way of promotion, second way of promotion, and third way of promotion. Basahin nyo po yan because it's gonna be your guide kung paano po tayo mag-rank up. Pag hindi po natin naintindihan, you can call our upline. And actually, pag lagi tayo naka-plug in, pinag-uusapan po lagi yan sa training natin. Okay? So, the next one is ito pong enroller tree. Importante pong tinitingnan po natin itong enroller tree natin kasi dito rin po natin tinitingnan kung paano natin ma-manage yung lahat ng ating mga partners under our organization. Since malaki ang organizations ni Coach Nercy dahil National Director po siya, all level po yan. Pero if you wanna monitor your direct referral, all you need to do is to click this person, itong level na to, ilagay nyo po yung level 1 and yung status po is lahat ng active. Okay? So, makikita mo dyan, lahat ikaw yung sponsor nitong mga pinasok na to. So, 17 po yan. Titingnan natin, 17. Sorry, ang pagkakasabi ko pa naman 15. 17 pala ang direct ni Coach Nercy. Lahat po yan VIP. May dalawang starter. Kaya pala. No? So, may tatlong starter. So, as you can see here, lahat po, karamihan po dyan VIP. no? So may tatlong starter po siya, direct referral. Okay, so and if you want to check sino ba sa team mo ang past due na, maggagawa ko nito ng separate video para hindi ganun kahaba. I-click mo lang tong past due and you will see here. Si John Paul Edkilang, naka-past due na po siya. So, I'll gonna remind Coach Nursey about it. Tapos kung gusto mong i-check yung expired, makikita mo din dito. No, sa level 1 walang expired. Pero if you're going to check all, makikita mo sa buong team, ayan po yung expired. Sa direct ni Coach Nursey, wala siyang expired na direct, no? Pero sa buong team, yung direct niya, mayroon pong mga expired, no? So you can call 15 po yan ng mga expired. Pwede kayong kaya importante din na nag-huddle kayo sa team para nakakausap mo yung mga partners and mga downlines kung sino yung mga sponsor kasi makikita naman natin sino ba yung expired account like this one, sample. Ron Joshua Tolomia. Sino yung sponsor? Si Coach Orlando Rojas. Pwede mong kausapin si Coach Orlando and remind paki-contact si Coach Ron Joshua to remind the subscription para ma-update ang kanyang payments. Same as with this one. Itong mga to. Okay? So, ganun lang siya kasimple. And next one is the matrix tree. Dito sa matrix tree naman, makikita mo dito sino yung mga nasa ilalim mo, no? So, ayan. Ayan. So, tingnan mo, nakikita mo, halos karamihan yellow kasi VIP po yan lahat. No? So, pwede mo yan i-scroll down para makita mo kung sino pa yung mga nasa ilalim po nila. Ayan. So, malinaw po tayo dyan, ha? Ayan po yung reference natin. Starter is color green. Starter, yan. Old starter and new starter. Yung standard natin is yan, naka-brown. Yung premium po natin, it's look like silver. And the VIP is color yellow. Okay, so meron tayong color coding for that. Kung gusto mo makita yung matrix view, ayan naman po yan. Kung ilan na ang laman under your organization. Kasi 2x15 matrix po tayo. So as national director, as you can see guys, ayan, hanggang dyan po siya sa level, kumikita po siya dyan. No, hanggang level 6. So sayang, no? Kailangan niya mag-rank up kasi sayang nitong mga nasa ilalim na to, no? So hindi yan naka-count in. Kailangan po munang ma-open yan. Yung kanyang mag-rank up siya para ma-maximize natin yung income talaga. Because here in Seacrest, our income is proportionate with our rank. Okay? So, ayan makikita mo, 2, 4, 8, 16. Dapat ito 32, ito 64. 64 times 2, ito dapat ang laman yan. No? So, madali lang mapuno ang matrix kapag meron tayong sistema na sinusunod. And, of course, the matching bonus, the matching view, ito naman. Ano yung matching view? Dito makikita kung yung 50% ng lahat ng mga yung kinikita ng iyong direct referral, kasama na po dun yung spillover. So, like this one, si Jedi and Patrick Parungao, they have 87 and 30, Delia Brigado with 48 and the rest. No? So, yung kinikita nito sa matching, sa matrix income monthly, 50% umaakyat kay Coach Nursey. So, kaya maganda po talaga dito, marami tayong direct. No? So, ayan. Okay? So, I hope mayroon po tayong natututunan. No? So, in here, next is yung rank status po natin. Dito makikita mo dito kung anong rank ka na talaga. No? In here, you currently national director. To become corporate director, fulfill at least one of the following conditions. So, condition 1, 2, and 3. So, dito, referral and active members, at least 1,500 points personally enrolled. So, meron na siyang 864. Konti na lang, no? Halos ang hinahabol yung points. So, mas maganda talaga kung VIP ang lagi mo dinidirect kasi that's equivalent to 57 points. So, it's very easy for you to complete the requirements to rank up. Nagigets, nasusundan. So, aside sa yung pinasok mo na VIP, mas maganda rin kasi pag VIP kasi marami kang products. And ang advantage ng VIP aside doon sa pwede mong i-customize yung iyong personal link, pwede mo kasing, marami ka kasing actual physical products na hawak na pwede mong gamitin para maging product ng product or pwede mo rin ibenta, pwede mong ipa-pre-taste, meron kang physical products with you. No? Then, kailangan meron kang active 500 members, meron na siyang 119 para maging corporate director. No? So, sa condition to naman, as you can see here, one national director, each of 3 separate enroller 3 national director dapat currently wala pa siya, no, kahit isa wala pa, then 500 active member din ulit ang hinihingi, no. Dito naman kaya nga we encourage talaga each and every one of you guys to direct at least 3 kasi yun yung maghahatid sa iyo to rank up, no. Kapag ka lahat ng tatlo nagpapasok ng tagtatatlo, mame-maintain natin yung pag-rank up, no, kasi nagra-rank up lahat. and napupuno agad madali ang matrix. Actually, wag na nating pahabain pa, yun lang ang susundan natin. Yun yung mantra natin. Dapat bawat isa sa atin, pag pumasok ka kay Seacrest, wag mong patapusin ng isang buwan na hindi ka nakatatlong pay-in. Regardless kung ano man po ang package niyan, wag naman po puro starter kasi wala kang points na ma-generate at hindi ka rin magra-rank up, no? So, mayroon siyang points mababa pero hindi enough para maging senior director ka. For you to become senior director, I would suggest siguro mas maganda kung ang i-enroll mo, ang i-refer mo is at least standard. If you can do it at VIP, mas maganda. No, sa condition 3, as you can see here, 500 active members on your enroller 3. You currently have 119 with no more than 150. So naka-check na. So the moment na mag 500 po ito, automatically she will be declared national director. Or either of these two, makuha niya tong 864 at may 500 po siya ditong points, people active. So, corporate director na po siya. So, pwede rin dito, tulungan niya yung tatlo kasi meron siyang 17, no? 17 direct. Tulungan niya yung tatlo na mag-rank up na maging national director at magkaroon to ng 500 active affiliates, she will become corporate director. Ganun lang po kabilis mag-rank up sa atin. And guys, grabe, napakaganda. Alam mo, I have good news with you kasi not all kind of business na ganito, mayroong tinatawag na marketing library. So, ang negosyo natin napakaganda kasi for those who are not techie, yung hindi magagaling sa mag-edit ng mga pang-post, so kung ano yung pinoproblema nila pang-post, mayroon ho tayo tinatawag na marketing library. So, kailangan ho talaga, alam nyo kung paano gamitin to kasi hindi to na ma-maximize. Promise. So, if you know on how to log in your back office, it's very easy for you to do our business because every day, hindi yung problema kung ano yung pang-post mo. Ano yung ibig ko sabihin? Ayan, ito yung marketing library. Pag binuksan mo ang marketing library, everything is in there. So, yung categories is lahat nandyan, all. But if you're going to click this portion, makikita mo kung gusto mo ba Seacrest products lang ang i-view mo, Seaweed's benefits, English call to action, mga posters, Tagalog call to action na posters, subscription model insights, marketing campaigns, packages, Reels story, product benefits, and promotional material. So, let's say, sabihin natin, Seacrest product kasi you wanna post it eh. So, kung gusto mong lotion, all you need to do is just to scroll it down, no, para makita mo. Ang gagawin mo lang, ida-download mo lang to. Just click this download. Mapa-laptop, mapa-cellphone ang gamit mo. Pag click mo tong download na to, automatically masasave po yan sa iyong gallery. No? Then, hindi mo na rin po problemahin yung caption mo kasi all you need to do is just to copy this caption. No, mamaya tuturuan kita ng short video on how to do it, no, para doon sa maiksing video lang. So, and so on and so forth, kahit alin dyan ang gusto mo. Kung gusto mo everyday, puro ka muna lotion, MWF, puro lotion, TTHS, puro naman sabon. Or kung gusto mo, Monday, puro lotion, Martes, sabon, Miyerkules, itong about skin hydration, Webes, kape, no? So, ganun, ang dami, pwede mong daily, yun ang i-post natin. Kasi, you know what guys, wag na nating, palitan na natin yung pinupost natin sa Facebook natin. I-replace nyo po ng lahat ng ganito. So, ito naman po yung, I hope, mayroon kayong natututunan, no? The next one is, ito pong tinatawag nating referral links, no? So, nandito pa rin ho tayo sa ating back office. Navigation of back office pa rin tayo. Sa Seacrest links po natin, ito pwede nyo po, kaya nga po pwede nyo pong itong i-personalize. As you can see, ang starter niya dito, hindi na po dito URL. Ang makikita nyo dito, hindi. Nakikita mo dito, Coach Nursey Alpha Team 2285. Tapos mayroon siyang Coach Nursey TV. No? So, naka-link sa YouTube niya. So, pwede mo talagang i-personalize pag VIP ka. And yung starter niya is start now with pre-products. No? So, ganon. So, yan. And of course, yung shop link naman po natin next. Yan. So, yung shop link naman natin, if you want to post every day about the products, pwede nyo pong i-include ito. How you gonna do it? Just copy the link. Ito lang yun, no? I-click nyo lang po yan, makakopy na po yan. Copied na. But if you really want to view this one, pwede nyo pong i-click lang ito. Mapa-cellphone ang gamit mo or mapa-laptop. Pareho lang po. Pag view nyo po yan, ganito ang lalabas. So, it's a personalized Nersitas Inkilang shop site. So, ayan po siya. You can send it with your friends. Nasa Pilipinas man siya o nasa labas ng bansa. Pwede nyo po yan ipadala sa kanila. So if they're gonna purchase it, ang maganda ho dito kasi nasa dropshipping business ho tayo, the company is the one who will do the packing, the company is the one who will deliver. Paano yung rebates, papasok na lang po yan sa ating wallet. O, di ba ang ganda? Ganun lang po siya. Okay? So guys, na-view na natin yan. And of course, nandito naman yung purchases and orders. Sa navigation of back office pa rin po tayo. Yung different types of packages. So, scroll up ko lang. Ito yung packages po natin. So, since siya po ay naka-VIP na, makikita nyo 00 na. No? So, wala na ho siyang pwedeng i-click dito kasi nga upgraded na ho siya from starter to VIP. Okay? Then, next is the shop. No? Ano yung makikita mo sa shop? Of course, all our products ni Seacrest. Ayan, nandyan po yan. So, in here, if you really want to view the products, you can just click. The same lang ang gagawin natin. I-click mo lang po yan para ma-view mo yung mga products benefits natin. Ganun lang. And to monitor your orders, ano na nga ba yung mga na-order ko kay Seacrest? Just click the orders, itong section na to. Pag makikita mo dyan kung ano yung mga binili mo. And kung gusto mong i-check yan, kung gusto mong i-monitor, pwede mo yan i-click para makita mo kung ano yung mga in-order mo with this. So, kunyari ito, itong worth 22,391 na products. You can click, you can view this one. Ano itong mga binili ni Coach Nercy na worth 22,000? Ayan, you can click this one and you can see, makikita niyo siya, no? Binili siya nung order date was February 25, 2025. And for delivery via Ninja Van, ayan yung invoice number, ayan yung date, ito yung tracking number. And ayan, as you can see, ang status is shipped already. So ibig sabihin delivered na. No, asa yung breakdown ng mga pinamili nandito sa baba. Ano yung mga pinabili ni Coach Nercy para makita natin? Ayan, sige, o sisain natin. So, guys, ayan. So, Siskin Lotion, 55. Mayroon siyang biniling Siskin na sabon na 55. So, ayan yung total. Ito yung binayaran. Okay? Nasusundan, nagigets? Okay, so tuloy po natin. Sa financial section naman, nandyan po yung cards. Yung kung ano kung saan natin, wala siyang nakalink na cards, no? Sa earnings naman, eto, makikita natin kung magkano yung kinikita. So, guys, very transparent po tayo. Makikita mo ko yung magkano kinikita mo weekly, monthly, and everything. Okay? And sa withdrawal naman, matitrace mo kung saan napunta yung mga withdrawals. So, no withdrawals, no? As you can see here. So, wallet transaction, of course, makikita mo dito kung saan napunta yung mga kinita. Ayan, so 6713, send to, ayan, yung mga ano to for subscription na pinasa lang natin. Kasi pwede tayo mag peer-to-peer dito. Alright, so guys, as you can see, very transparent po talaga si Seacrest. No? So, this is how you navigate our back office. Again, I'd like to remind all of the partners of Seacrest, kung bago ka, kailangan familiar ka, alam mo kung paano mag-navigate ng back office. So, kailangan nagla-login po tayo. Ugaliin po natin mag-login sa ating back office every day para nasisilip natin yung status ng ating account. So, kunyari ito, personal, wala ka pang direct referral. Dito sa subscription, makikita mo dito sa section na to kung hanggang kailan yung iyong expiration. So, at least, ma-anticipate mo, makakabayad ka kagad. No? So, you can pay. Kung paano naman, you can just go here sa ating tutorial kung paano magbayad, yung pinapanood ko po sa inyo kanina. Okay, so kung may hindi naiintindihan, you can call your upline. So, again guys, once again, I hope meron po kayong natutunan. This is Coach Jericho Irinco, your Corporate Director in run for Presidential Director here in Seacrest. And for our next video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano pa talaga mag-post every day using our marketing library. Okay guys, so tutok lang po tayo kasi tuloy-tuloy po itong series ng ating tutorial. So for now, guys, ayan, hindi ko pala binalik muna. Ayan, so guys, for now hanggang doon lang po muna tayo. Navigation and back office. So again, i-remind ko po kayo na ugaliin po natin na mag-log in sa ating back office every day. Kahit wala pa po tayong direct referral, kahit wala pa po tayong downline, we need to familiarize kung ano yung mga section, ano yung mga nakapaloob dito sa ating sophisticated back office. We need to familiarize on how to use this kasi once alam mo kung paano gamitin to, madali mo tong ituro sa mga taong i-invite mo rin. Kasi napakasimple lang naman. Pag alam mo kung paano to gamitin, hindi ka mahihirapan mag-enroll ng tao. So tip, bakit? Kasi ang approach mo ng ganito, friend, no indirect approach kasi ang ginagamit ko, no? So ito yung tip ko sa inyo. Ang approach ko kasi, hindi ako nagda-direct offer. Kasi ito, tandaan nyo ha, kahit sino, kahit ikaw, ayaw na ayaw mo ng binibentahan. Ayaw na ayaw mo nang inaalok na kung ano-ano. Because people really want free. No? Ang gusto ng tao, libre lang. Pero yung may ibibigay ka sa kanila ng opportunity, hindi nila yung maiintindihan. Alam mo ang ginagawa ko? Sinasabi ko lang, friend, alam mo sa totoo lang, meron akong na-discover na isang sistema na napakaganda is a membership club business na kung saan plug and play. Naka-ready na lahat, templated, magpo-post ka na lang, yung pagpe-Facebook ko everyday, kumikita ako. So, mayroon ka bang mga kakilala na gustong kumita gamit lang ang Facebook? Magpo-post siya. Yung ipo-post, hindi mo na po problemahin kasi merong marketing library. Doon manggagaling yung mga ipo-post mo. Guys, pag ganun ang narinig ng tao, di ba, nagpe-Facebook naman sila, ang sasabihin nila, ay bakit ako maghahanap? Eh ako na lang. Tama o tama? So guys, that's the tip, no? So ayaw ng tao ng ino-offeran. So ako ang ginagamit ko, just to share with you guys, is what we call indirect approach, no? Effective po yan sa sales. I've been into sales for a long period of time. Yan ang ginagamit ko up until now. And I have so many sign up, I have so many closed deals in my current business, no? Using that approach. So kung effective, sa akin, maybe kung paano ko binabagsak. Pero ang mahirap kasi kung gagamitin mo yung technique na yan but you are not familiar on how to navigate back office. Kasi pag tinanong ka, paano yan? At least pag binuksan mo yung iyong back office, pag pinakita mo yung iyong sophisticated back office, nag-login ka at dinala mo siya dito sa iyong marketing library at pinakita mo sa kanya, ito lang yung mga ipopost natin everyday. No, download, post it. At yun ang sunod na gagawin ko. Ipapakita ko sa iyo on how you're gonna post daily posting on your social media or on your Facebook, pwede sa TikTok, kahit sa social media na ginagamit mo, na pwede kang kumita. So, at least in here, you're gonna use your time to generate income. So, I hope nagustuhan mo yung tip. So, again guys, tutukan mo ang next video because our next video, it's about how you're gonna post um, secret products or secret opportunity on your social media, especially on Facebook. So, guys, thank you so much. Bye for now. Hanggang dito na lang po muna tayo. God bless everyone. See you at the top.